Hey guys! Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. Kitang-kita nyo naman sa title, today's video is going to be about the newest collaboration of BLK and that is the BLK x Solenn Heussaff collection. And I'm so happy because they sent me the complete collection. Lahat ng lipsticks meron tayo and also yung multi-use palette nila. Which I'm so excited to try kasi mukha siyang promising and grabe yung packaging, sobrang nice. So yeah, for those of you na naghahanap ng swatches, especially yung mga ka-skin tone ko, dito sa product na to see if okay ba or bagay sa inyong skin tone yung mga shades na meron dito. Makikita nyo kung ano yung itsura niya kapag pareho tayo ng skin tone. And that's it. Ayoko nang pahabain pa yung intro. If you want to see the complete swatches of the BLK x Solenn Heussaff collection and kung gusto nyo malaman if worth it ba, just keep on watching. Again, this one is the Solenn Heussaff collaboration with BLK and dito sa collection na to, we have total of 2 products. First one is the All Day Intense Matte Lipstick and this one comes in 4 shades. And ito naman yung second product sa collection and yung tawag sa kanya is Multi-Use Palette. And this one comes in 2 variants or options. This is also actually BLK's first ever collaboration which is kinda surprising kasi diba, parang kapag inisip mo, parang, I don't know, parang hindi pumasok sa isip ko yun eh. Probably because Ann Curtis is the owner, kaya parang nasa isip ko na is talagang collab siya. I don't know, yun lang yung nasa isip ko. So dito sa packaging, of course, nakalagay yung details and information about the product. So yung lipstick, yung price niya is 329 pesos, tapos yung multi-palette naman, 449 pesos siya. This is how the packaging looks like and as you can see, super nice ng box kasi yung art na nakikita nyo dito is actually painted by Solenn. Art niya to kaya ang ganda diba? Sobrang personalized and very Solenn talaga. Nakakahinayang siyang itapon to be honest kasi sobrang nice ng design as in. Ito yung packaging na masarap i-keep and ilagay sa vanity because when you look at it, diba, parang may inspire ka mag-makeup and gumawa ng art. So yeah, for me, overall, box pa lang, sobrang impressed na ako. I love the packaging. When it comes sa actual component ng product, ganito naman siya. And as you can see, yung vibes niya is very similar doon sa box niya, which is for me a plus. Kasi diba, alam mong hindi tinipid when it comes sa branding and design. Super classy ng packaging niya. It feels very solid and sturdy and maganda yung material na gamit nila. Makapal siya. Acrylic siya guys. Tapos when it comes sa lipstick, same lang din. It is acrylic tapos meron siyang mga floral na design or pattern. For those of you na mahilig mag-collect ng makeup na may cute or super classy and nice packaging, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo to. Definitely one of the best packagings na nakita ko sa local brand as in, alam mong in-effortan talaga and ginastusan siya. For those of you na may sensitive nose, you don't need to worry because etong mga product dito guys, naamoy ko na sila and they don't have any scent. Ito yung first nating susubukan sa video na to and again yung tawag dito is the Solenn Heussaff Multi-Use Palette. Dalawa yung variants na meron dito. First one is called the Mystic Dreamer which looks like this. Tapos yung second naman is called Free Spirit and ganito siya once you open the packaging. And eto sila kapag pinagtabi. Yung nasa taas is si Free Spirit and yung nasa baba is si Mystic Dreamer. This one contains 6 grams by the way guys. So basically bawat shades meron siyang 3 grams and again, yung price nito is 449 pesos. Of course, bago ko subukan, iso-swatch ko muna sila, guys. And yung first natin is si Mystic Dreamer. It actually feels like lipstick. Ganun yung feeling niya kapag sinuswatch. Ina-expect ko kasi and nasa isip ko is that kapag hinawakan ko to parang silicone yung texture niya, but hindi. Talagang ano siya, parang cream na lipstick, ganun. This is yung nasa taas na shade and ito yung nasa baba. Actually, parang talagang lipstick yung feeling niya and texture kapag hinawakan. But we'll see. Titignan natin mamaya kung kapag nilagay sa cheeks, ano ba yung pakiramdam. Dito naman tayo ngayon kay Free Spirit. And ito more on pinkish and mauve na kulay. Ito yung first color sa palette. And this one is the second shade. Ito yung close-up ng swatches. This one is from the Mystic Dreamer palette. And ito naman is from the Free Spirit palette. First impressions for me, I like it kasi very creamy yung texture niya and maganda yung pigmentation ng product. I feel like you don't need a lot. By the way, naka-foundation nga pala ako ha, pero konting-konti lang para mag-even out lang yung skin tone and matakpan yung ibang imperfections ko. Subukan na natin to guys and ang gagawin ko is yung first color ilalagay ko siya sa left ng aking face and yung isa is sa right naman. Para meron kayong idea kung alin dito sa dalawang shades yung okay or mas magugustuhan nyo because I feel like kung pipili lang ako ng isa, wala din masyadong silbi yung review, di ba? Parang sayang lang sa oras. And ito yung amount of product na kinuha ko from the palette. And ayan. Also guys ha, medyo kakapalan ko siya para makita nyo talaga kung ano yung itsura niya kapag nilagay sa cheeks because kung gagawin kong light, baka hindi nyo rin masyadong makita or hindi ganun ka-visible. Tsaka kaya ka nga nag-blush, diba? Para makitang namumula yung pisngi mo. Also sa lid, maglagay tayo ng konti since multi-use product to. Lagay muna natin yung second shade para mamaya tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa pagchika. So, ayan. Para naman sa lips, yung shade na gagamitin ko from this palette is itong pink or yung lightest. Wala lang, trip ko lang. Bakit ba? Charot. Ganito siya guys kapag nakalagay na sa face, and again, yung ginamit ko is the Free Spirit palette. Ang bilis ko makalimutan ng pangalan. Sobrang nice ng kulay niya, especially this one. I like this and I can see myself using this every day because it looks very natural eh. Mukha lang siyang nakakatakot dito sa pan kasi di ba when you look at it, parang sobrang dark. Sobrang intense and nakakatakot ilagay sa face. But actually, very ano siya eh, blendable and okay yung pigment niya, buildable siya. When it comes sa eyes, I don't have any complaints. Super nice niyang i-blend. Hindi naman siya nag-cling sa mga dry patches and it looks even, maganda. Sa cheeks, okay din siya for me. Kahit may texture yung skin ko, I feel like hindi naman siya nag-settle sa mga pores. Meron kasing mga ganong cream products kapag nilagay sa cheeks, pumapasok sa pores or talagang nagsasettle siya and sobrang visible. Especially itong kulay na to guys, sobrang on point. Kasi di ba yung kulay niya parang ano lang siya, yung natural flush kapag pinawisan ka or kaya nainitan. Ang lakas maka-sweet girl, I love it. However, when it comes sa lips, I don't recommend this if you have dry lips, unless nag-prep kayo. Because sa akin, guys, I can see na nagsasettle siya sa mga dead skin. But actually, pagka ganitong product naman talaga, hindi ko ginagamit sa lips. Usually, sa cheeks lang and sa lid. Kaya, I don't mind. If you have flawless skin, I'm very sure sobrang nice nito sa inyo. Kasi diba, look at that, meron siyang konting shine. Hindi siya yung completely matte or velvet. Kaya, ang gandang tingnan, ang healthy, ang glowy. Grabe guys, ang effort magbura ng ganito kapag ka mga cream, tapos naka-foundation na. But para sa inyo, kahit na maging messy yung face ko and mahirapan ako, okay lang. Ang importante, ma-deliver ko yung honest and totoong info about the product. Kaya, okay lang yan, kahit ma-effort. Dito naman tayo ngayon kay Mystic Dreamer. And to be honest, I feel like hindi ko siya magugustuhan kasi parang ang orange ng kulay eh. You know me guys, I don't like orange na blush and lipstick. Hindi ko talaga trip, but subukan pa din natin and tignan natin kung eto bang isang to, baka exception naman. Sana maganda, di ba? And same kanina guys, yung first color ilalagay ko siya sa right side ng aking face and yung isa sa left side. I'm not sure about this color, but ilagay muna natin yung second shade. Ganito naman yung Mystic Dreamer kapag nakalagay na sa face. Again, this one is yung first color and eto naman is yung second shade sa palette. And for me, I don't like it to be honest. Hindi nga kasi ako mahilig sa ganitong shades guys, kaya hindi ko ma-appreciate. For those of you na mahilig sa very sun-kissed makeup look, yung parang na-sunburn kayo ng slight, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo to kasi ganun yung vibes na binibigay nitong second palette. Sa eyes, okay siya sa akin guys. I can see myself using it, but pagdating sa cheeks and sa lips, no. But in terms of application and formula, I don't have anything bad to say kasi sobrang creamy ng product. It's easy to blend. It's not patchy and maganda yung kapit sa skin. So yeah, for me, this one is just an okay na color or variant. But for me talaga yung sinisigaw ng puso ko is si Free Spirit. Ito yung mas nagustuhan ko sa dalawa kasi diba yung kulay dito, since nga pinkish siya kapag nilagay sa face, mas malakas maka-fresh. Ito kasing shades na nasa face ko, parang I don't know, ang sad ng kulay. Kahit dito naman sa packaging when you look at it, parang hindi siya ganun ka-exciting. Unlike this one, diba, when you look at it, sobrang vibrant, sobrang fun, and ang lakas lang maka-lift ng mood. Ito namang lipstick yung subukan natin this time guys, and this one is the All Day Intense Matte Lipstick. So dito sa isang to guys, when it comes sa formula niya, same lang siya sa existing lipstick ng BLK, but yung naiba lang is of course yung packaging and yung mga shades kasi si Solenn yung pumili. Again, this one retails for 329 pesos, apat yung shades na meron, and it contains 3.4 grams. And sobrang ganda talaga ng packaging guys, as in obsessed ako sa packaging na to. First color na susubukan natin is called Little Missy. This is Little Missy kapag nakalagay na sa lips. And for me, I like this color guys. Kasi usually kapag mga browns, di ba, parang ang undertone niya is orange or sobrang warm. But this one hindi. Okay yung kulay niya and perfect na MLBB to, especially if morena kayo. Pigmentation is really nice kasi one swipe lang opaque na siya and maganda na yung itsura. Tapos, when you look at it closely, it's not patchy. Sobrang even talaga and pantay na pantay. So yeah, for me, I like this color. Ito namang hawak ko ngayon and next nating susubukan is called Moonfire. This is Moonfire on the lips, and for me, this one is just an okay shade. I'm not the biggest fan, to be honest. Parang off yung pagka-orangey na brown na nude niya, kaya hindi ko masyadong ma-appreciate. But of course, alam kong may mga taong mahilig sa ganitong shade, kaya by all means, kung gusto niyo yung ganito, go ahead and purchase. Hindi lang talaga siya for me, kaya hindi ko ipipilit. This one I'm holding right now is called Cattleya, and I feel like sobrang nice niya because ang dainty nung shade eh. I love this color, guys. Sobrang ganda niya. Diba? Ang lakas lang maka-feminine ng kulay. Tapos, ang perfect. I don't have anything bad to say dito sa kulay na to be honest. Tsaka itong shade na to, maganda siya because bagay sa kahit anong skin tone kasi hindi siya sobrang dark, hindi sobrang light, it's not bright. Diba? Ang soft lang ng kulay niya, perfect for everyday. For those of you na mahilig sa mga pinkish na lipstick for everyday, I'm very sure magugustuhan nyo to kasi diba, ang ganda ng kulay niya, very parang old rose. Sobrang ganda, guys. Actually, parang gusto ko nang tapusin dito eh. Charot. Final shade na susubukan natin is called Sunset Lace, and I feel like this one is kind of like a deeper version or darker version nung Cattleya. Ang ganda din niya, guys. Oh my God, I love this one as well. Kung feeling nyo medyo light pa for your skin tone or for your preference, yung Cattleya, which is yung nauna dito, definitely at yung perfect for you kasi diba, deeper version siya but ang ganda. In fairness, sa pink variants dito sa collection na to, super on point. I don't have anything bad to say as in, I love it. Ang ganda niya. Ito yung klase ng dark na okay pa din for everyday because hindi naman siya yung super dark and parang nakakatakot ng gamitin. Sobrang soft and wearable niya pa din tignan and ang flattering. And that's it, guys. Ayun na yung complete swatches ng BLK and Solenn Heussaff collaboration. So this time, i-recap muna natin yung pros and cons. And dito tayo mag-start sa kanilang face palette. In terms of formula, to be honest, there's nothing special about it kasi para lang talaga siyang cream or lipstick na tinunaw tapos nilagay dito sa pan. Which is actually not a bad thing naman because nakita nyo naman, di ba, kung paano mag-perform. Talagang maganda siya sa skin. It's just that, ayun nga, hindi naman siya yung parang wow, oh my God. Sobrang kakaiba siya. So basically, parang dito sa product na to, yung pagtatalunan na lang is kung okay ba yung kulay niya or kung maganda. And for me, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung kulay, especially dito kay Free Spirit na palette. Kasi nga, di ba, yung mga shades dito sobrang fresh, sobrang feminine, sobrang soft, and talagang flattering. Dito naman kay Mystic Dreamer, again, it's all about personal preference. I'm just not a big fan talaga of orange colors. Pagdating sa cheeks and lips, kaya hindi ko ma-appreciate. But para nga sa inyo na mahilig sa mga very sun-kissed or sunburnt na makeup look, okay na okay yung mga kulay na meron dito sa palette na to. Because when you look at it, diba, warm and orangey yung shades. Formula-wise, pareho naman silang dalawa. Very creamy, easy to blend, pigmented, and buildable. For those of you na merong dry skin, okay na okay siya because it will look nice on your skin. Sobrang healthy and natural. But if you have oily skin, of course, expect nyo na kapag nag-oil up kayo, mas magiging parang makintab pa siya. But I can see myself using this one. And again, dito sa dalawang to, kung papipiliin nyo ako kung alin dito yung maire-recommend ko, definitely Free Spirit. I swear, sobrang ganda nito, guys, and magugustuhan nyo. Dito naman sa lipstick, again, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, yung formula niya is same lang sa existing lipstick ng BLK, which is yung All Day Matte. Kaya kung familiar na kayo doon, I'm very sure na alam nyo na kung ano yung feeling nito kapag nilagay sa lips. Okay naman yung feeling niya sa lips, but if you have dry lips after like, let's say, 10 minutes, mapifeel nyo na medyo drying siya. Sa akin kasi, guys, since I have dry lips, napifeel ko na eto, kapag nagtatagal sa lips ko, medyo nawawala yung moisture. Kaya I highly recommend talaga na kapag eto yung gamit, or kahit ano naman actually if you have dry lips, mas okay sana kung bago kayo maglagay ng lipstick, nag-prep kayo. Mag-lip balm kayo, lip scrub, lip oil, that way kapag naglagay ng lipstick, maganda yung lapat niya and it looks smooth. Dito naman sa lipstick na to, for me yung nagustuhan kong shade is yung last two. And that is si Cattleya and Sunset Lace. My kind of colors. Kasi yung unang dalawa medyo orangey and okay lang. Etong tatlo yung nag-stand out sa akin. Again, this one is Free Spirit Multi-Palette and yung lipsticks are Cattleya and Sunset Lace. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.